In this video, I will explain about grep command. Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print. The grep filter searches a file for a particular pattern of characters and displays all lines that contains that pattern. In your simple understanding way, grep it displays a particular line by using a word. Say for example, now I have a file. I want to check content of a file. Cat space file name. So here it is showing all the lines. I don't want to check the content of this particular line with all the lines. I want to check particular lines only in output. Say for example, I opened new terminal. My requirement is I want to pick some particular lines only. Now, grep, it is used to pick a particular line by using word. Which word? Example, Linux. From which file? F1 file. Enter. So now here if you observe, it is displaying all the lines where Linux word is there. But is it giving all the lines where Linux word is there? Means no. If you observe in your original file, here capital L is there. But in output there is no line with capital L because grep is case sensitive. So here I mentioned small l in my command. So it is showing the lines where small l is there. I'll give you another example. This time grep space capital Linux. Linux I'm giving with capital L space your file name. So here it is displaying only single line where capital L is there. Hope you got this point. Grep is case sensitive. Done. Now I want to pick all the lines where capital L is there or small l is there. So grep is a command -i. I is used to avoid case sensitive space word Linux. From which file? F1. So now it is giving all the lines where capital L is there, small l is there. So it is giving all the lines which contains Linux word. So grep is a command which displays lines by using the word. Right. So now it is giving all the lines where small l is there or capital L is there because we used I. Option I is used to avoid case sensitive. Clear? Now, grep space -v space word freedom. From which file? F1 file. Now, if you observe, it is giving all the lines except a line where freedom word is there. So option V is used to skip a particular line. So if you want to skip a particular line from output, you can use the option V. Clear? Now, this time I'm using grep space -iv space Linux space F1. Grep is used to pick a line and we are using option I to avoid case sensitive. V to skip a particular line. Which line? Linux. From where? F1. Now, if you observe, it is giving all the lines except Linux lines. Whether it is small l or capital L, there is no Linux lines here. Okay. Hope you're clear. And now, I want to pick multiple lines from a file. Grep space -e is an option to pick multiple lines with different words. Say for example, grep space -e space single quote. Now here give the word from your file. Each word is separated with pipe symbol. So I gave one word file. Now labs pipe symbol videos single quote space file name. Now it is displaying multiple lines with different words. When you want to pick multiple lines with different words, you can use like this. So this is about some of the grep commands. Okay, Hope you are clear with these commands. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. And thank you for this video. And I'll come back with another new video. You can also check my previous videos for more commands. Thank you.